Magandang umaga po. Napaka-importante ng ever since tinuro sa atin ng ating mga guro, elementary pa lang, kahit sa public kami noon, tinuturo ang balanced diet. No? At yung ketogenic, hindi balanced diet yun kasi they avoid carbohydrate. No? And uses the second source of energy, itong mga fats mobilization. Pero it has a far-reaching implication sa katawan natin. Okay? So, ang binigay ng Panginoon to primarily utilize the source of energy is carbohydrates. Okay? Sumunod doon ay fats, lipids, and number 3, proteins. Okay? Napaka-importante na mag-maintain tayo ng balanced diet. Okay? In a ratio of 45, 30, and 25. Okay? 45, 25, and 20. Okay? To God be the glory. Dr. Attorney Joey Montemayor. Salamat po.